Welcome, my dear friends. I'm Sofia. Today I'm going to present a summary of the novel Little Women, written by Louisa May Alcott. This classic novel is a warm and inspiring story about family growing up and finding one's place in the world. The story revolves around Marge family, consisting of 4 sisters, Meg, Jo, Beth, and Amy, and their loving mother, Marmee. Their father is away serving as a soldier, and the family lives a simple life, with limited money but strong values. Each sister has a distinct personality. Meg, the eldest, is responsible and dreams of a comfortable life. Jo, the second sister, is bold, independent, and passionate about writing. Third, Beth, is gentle, kind, and loves music. Amy, the youngest, is artistic and dreams of beauty and success. The novel follows the sisters through their daily lives, showing their joys, mistakes, and personal struggles. They learn important lessons about kindness, patience, honesty, and self-control. One important message of this book is that happiness does not come from wealth, but from love and unity. Even during difficult times, the Marge sisters support one another and remain grateful for what they have. A significant part of this story is the family's friendship with their wealthy neighbor, Laurie. He becomes like a brother to the girls and shares a close bond with Jo. However, the novel also shows sorrow. Beth falls seriously ill, and later her death deeply affects the family. Beth's gentle nature and quiet strength leaves a lasting impact on everyone around her. As the sisters grow older, they begin to follow different paths. Meg gets married and learns the value of love over luxury. Jo pursues her dream of becoming a writer and learns to balance independence with emotional growth. Amy matures into a refined artist and later marries Laurie. Through these changes, the novel beautifully captures the transition from childhood to adulthood. Little Women highlights the importance of family bonds, hard work and perseverance, and staying true to oneself. The story shows that success looks different for everyone, and true fulfillment comes from kindness, self-love, and respect. In conclusion, Little Women is a timeless novel that teaches us about growing up with grace and courage. It reminds us that even in a changing world, values like compassion, honesty, and family remain the strongest foundations of life. This is why Little Women continues to touch readers' hearts across generations. Thank you.